Welcome, in this video we are going to learn curl command in Linux. Transferring data from one place to another is one of the main tasks done using computers connected to a network. There are so many graphical user interface tools out there to send and receive data, but when you are working on a console only equipped with command line functionality, using curl is inevitable. A less known fact is that curl can work with a wide range of protocols and can solve most of our scripting tasks with ease. A less known fact is that curl can work with a wide range of protocols and can solve most of our scripting tasks with ease. Before getting into details of curl, use cases and examples. Let's see who is behind its development. Hax is a team of developer consultants offering solutions to programming problems. They offer solutions in the field of embedded programming, Unix or Linux, network, device drivers, Perl script, etc. One of the co-founders of Hax gifted the open source community with a tool called curl. The man behind its development is none other than Daniel Sternberg, who is currently a senior network engineer at Mozilla. Curl is an easy-to-use command line tool to send and receive files, and it supports almost all major protocols, that is DHCP, FRLE, FTP, FTPS, and so on in use. Features can be used inside your shell script with ease, supports features like pause and resume of downloads. It has around 120 command line options for various tasks. It runs on all major operating systems, supports cookies, forms, and SSL. Both curl command line tool and curl library are open source, so they can be used in any of your programs. It supports configuration files, multiple upload with a single command, progress bar, rate limiting, and download time details, IPv6 support. Now let's see some practical. Let's open up terminal and type curl space -h. Here you can see that different options on curl command. You can see we have lots of options here. You have to just read them to understand. Right now I will not take the pain to read almost all because you can read it by yourself. By default, curl will show you the entire output on your console. A feature of curl is to guess the protocol based on the URL host name. Curl cannot guess the protocol, then it will default to HTTP. Type curl hacking2.com. This is our site itself only. You can see that the entire source code displayed in console. Let's copy the source code. Open the browser, search real-time HTML editor. Let's click on real-time HTML editor. Paste code in editor. Here you can see that Hacking2 website is displayed here. Let's check. Open up another browser and type URL hacking2.com. You can see that both web pages are same. Clear the console for that type clear. Curl command can be used to download multiple files at the same time using -option. An important fact to note here is that curl will use the same TCP connection to download multiple files. This is done to improve the download speed. Establishing TCP connection to a target server requires multiple processors. It's called as three-way handshake. To reduce the time involved in doing a three-way handshake, curl will try to use the same connection for all download from the same server issued by single command. Let's open a browser. Here I downloaded gz file. Let's copy the download link. Type -c space -o. Paste here the URL. Here you can see that download manager, download speed, total time, time left, etc. Download is completed. Let's see the file. It's in root directory. Open up directory. Here you can see that libconv 1.14 tar.gz file is downloaded successfully. That's it in this video on curl command in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.